Dealing with visually impaired children is not fun. I've actually had the opportunity to work with a visually impaired student last year. The amount of things she could not see prompted me to ask her if she needed new glasses. I later found out that she was on the verge of being blind, and I felt so bad. The student never made their situation an excuse, but instead showed that she could do just about anything any other student could do. I did not feel that these requirements would impact the course that I taught in any way. I actually prefer writing fonts to be bigger in size, as I tend to have trouble seeing smaller things myself. When I strain my eyes, it hurts my head. So, with that being said, I would have no problem increasing the font size for a student who was not able to see. What I would do is to make sure that if something needed to be bold or italicized, I would get the student to make the font bigger so that I knew what they were trying to do. Being that I've worked with a student like this, I feel as if it wouldn't hurt. I feel like it wouldn't be that big of a deal or an impact on my class. Although having a hearing impaired student would be quite the challenge at first, I think once you got the hang of it, then it wouldn't be a very big deal. For instance, if I teach history, then there's a lot of lectures and note taking that goes along with it. Since I have a student whose hearing is impaired, then I would hand them notes that I'm going to lecture about that day. As for a closed caption video, I would definitely have to use YouTube. I think this is the easiest way for you to quickly upload a video for students to watch. Also, if there are already videos or video on YouTube that you wanted or needed your students to watch, you could easily cut closed captioning on. As I stated earlier, having students with these impairments in class is not an easy thing to deal with, but the more you do it, the better you will become at it.